everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm NaturallyAJ, and today I'm going to do a wash and go. Yay! You know, I haven't done a wash and go in a minute. It's been a while because lately I've been doing a lot of twist styles and protective styles, and during the summertime I don't really wear my hair out too much, but it's the fall and I'm ready to wear my curls out, so I'm going to do my wash and go. Anyway, I'm going to be using this Curl Enhancing Smoothie by Shea Moisture. I'm going to put that on my hair first. Then after that, I'm going to use the most popular WetLine Xtreme Gel on top of that. So we're going to see how this works, and let's get started. I'm so excited because it's been a long time. It's been a long time since I've done a wash and go. Yes. Okay, now you must have that water, that's for sure. My hair is kind of damp. I have freshly washed and conditioned hair, and my hair feels so good. Oh my gosh, I love to wash my hair. I love to wash my hair. It's exciting. And I love a clean scalp too. Okay, so let me get started. Okay. Have to make sure I have everything on hand because you can easily forget once you start recording. But let me spray a little bit on my hair. Get those ends. Brush my hair a little bit. Detangle. Okay, I'm just gonna use, I guess, about that much. Just run it through. All right, that's a good start. That's a really good start. Oh, that looks good. I haven't used this in a minute. The Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I like it, I just haven't used it in a while. Anyway, let me grab some of the WetLine. And I guess I'm just gonna grab that much, I guess. And they say make sure you get your roots in. Let me do that. Get the roots. Because if you don't, your roots will be very puffy. Puffy, puffy, puffy. I guess you just rake it through. But geez, but look how it looks. When I first put it in, it's like straight. It's curly at the root, and then it's straight, but it'll curl up after a while. See, there you go. There you go. There you go. Okay. All right. Looking good so far. Let me keep going. All right. Spritz it a little bit with the water. Get those ends. Yes, indeed. Detangle. I might need to clip my ends. I could tell the way when I brush my the ends of my hair. It feels like my ends may need clipping a little bit. That's my hair with just the Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Now let's get the WetLine. Let's grab the WetLine. About that much. Get the roots. And rake it through. I would shingle my hair, but I don't feel like it. It's actually late. It's 9:35 at night, and I'm doing a video. I'm sleepy, but I want to go ahead and knock this video out since I just washed my hair. But I'm just gonna rake it through. Okay. All right. I'm sure you guys don't want to just sit there and watch me do this for good. I don't know how long it's going to take me. I'll just go off camera, finish this up. And when I come back, I can show you guys the final results. Okay. I hope it turns out okay. Wish me luck. Okay. I'm back. Ta-da! What do you think? I am done with putting all the product in my hair. As you can see, that side. Take a look at that side. And I'll turn around for you guys. Trying to get around here. Okay. Okay, now I can't air dry because it's late, so I'm just gonna go ahead and dry with the hair dryer, stretch it out a little bit, and then come back with the actual final results. So, okay. See you guys in a minute. All right, here's the final results. My hair is about maybe about 80% dry. I tried to dry it as much as I could, but what do you guys think? Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie and Xtreme WetLine Gel. All right. Let me turn around. Oops. Sorry for shaking the camera. Okay. So, it's amazing. Look at this. Look at that shrinkage. Wow. What can I say? Okay. All right, guys. So that is it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and maybe you can try these products on your hair and just to see how your hair turns out. I hope it turns out just fine for you. And my famous words, be a light, shed some light, and until next time, God bless.